Yes.
Okay. Okay. So good morning. This package one is divided into wide geographical area. As you can see, this is covered in MPS, MP21, MP20, IPS, and MOT, and Jabaldana was there. So these many areas were involved in the package one. So if you see, this is our TOR, and in that section 9 is scope of work. In that scope of work, we have 20 subsection, actually 19 subsection. This is general scope. So each subsections gave the different scope of the each section. So I will briefly go about the all of these sections, and then we can start our session. So first one is operating MPS, and the project name is automation of MPS and IPS. So whatever activity is going on in MPS and IPS, that we will have to automate from the MOT control room. That is the focus of this project. In MPS covers MP20 and MP21 as well. So the first scope is operating MPS, MP20, MP21, MP20 from MOTCCR. So there is some sections mentioned like FNG matrix panel, some pump grip in MPS and IPS that has to be done from the MOTCCR. That is the first scope. And then the second one is compressor and air dryer DOT selection.
Sudeep, sorry to interrupt you. And please also describe what you are going to add here. I mean, like hardware, software, something like that.
Yeah, okay. So this is mostly soft modification. Only cables, instrument related modification will be there. Cables and some ESD matrix panel will be added in the control room, and FNG signals will be softly modified in the FNG workstation. So this will be mostly INC related work. In this, no PNID involved, no others activity, only instrument activity, and if power is required, power will be there. So that in the first section. Now in the second one, compressor and air dryer DOT selection. So this is in MPS section. In MPS, currently compressors are running on manual mode. Now this